I just had a breakthrough and had to tell you about it. Introducing the box pot. The box pot is a one-pot system. I'm hoping I'll be able to cook bacon and eggs in that. Sausage and bacon. Perfect. Maybe we'll leave that lid off. Ooh, look at that beautiful bacon. This will help absorb some of that heat. And I'm going to put the lid on it. And then I'm going to turn that temperature down just as far as I can.
A few moments later.
Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Let's see if those yolks are still soft. Yeah, still soft. Just needs a little bit more cooking. Okay, I think my breakfast is ready to eat. I'm going to go ahead and turn the gas off. Since this is my minimalist kit, I'm just going to eat right out of the box pot, because that's what I would do if I were trying to keep things, you know, at a minimum. So, wow, this looks really good. Look at that. Wow. That's very nice. Let's see if we can get some of this bacon up here. Oh, look at that beautiful bacon. Ho ho ho. I'm just going to pull out that whole piece and just eat that whole piece. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious? Wow, that's good. Especially when you see the other side is the yolk. All the goodness. That's good. Let's see what this looks like with just wiping it out with a paper towel. That's actually not too bad. I've made a pizza stone that fits in the bottom of the box pot. You season the pizza stone. That's why the pizza stone is this color, is because I've seasoned it like you season a cast iron pan. I think you'll be able to drop this in the bottom. That will give you thermal mass. And I think that you could oil and flour this setup and actually bake a cake in it. Rising. Okay, I think this cake is done. Look at that. It's actually even a little bit brown over here on this edge. All right, there's our cake. It's really good.
Yes.
You want to try a piece of cake?
Yeah. Okay.
See what you think. I just baked it in the box pot.
Wow. It's moist. It's got this nice crunchy.
Yeah, it's good, huh?
Way good.
Just made it in the box pot.
Wow.
It was baked from the bottom up.
Whoa, that looks good.
Turned out decent, huh? I'm excited. Pretty good?
Yeah.
When you're boiling, let's say rice or pasta, and it starts to boil over, with the box pot you can just, and once it settles down, the lid is conducive to holding hot coals on top of it because of the way it overlaps the rim of the pot. We also have a built-in strainer to drain out your pasta. Now we do have a cutout in the bracket for the handle, and so you can make it stay up, or you can push it to the side so that it will lay down for storage. But because you can have it locked up, you can then use that to push against. Every corner is a pour spout. You can see I can pour slowly, and it's not running down the pot, even when I just go right down to a dribble. Just very nice, precise pouring. So the square shape is awesome as a pot. I also wanted to show you how well the box pot works on all the different stoves. So this is what I've been most excited about recently, is how well it works with the Nano, because it allows you to keep the legs of the Nano aimed outward, giving you full access to your Ember Glow diffuser plate. The box pot combined with the Nano, combined with the wood flame gas grill and the Ember Glow heat diffusing radiant grilling diffuser plate, works awesome as a portable gas grill. This little system allows you to bake, boil, and grill, all while remaining compliant with most fire regulations. It's awesome. The pot does actually still work on the Tri-Torch, Freestyle Tri-Torch. It works on the 4-inch Firebox Freestyle. You can either put it in line or you can put it on a diagonal, and then you have plenty of support. It works very well in the 5-inch Firebox. You can see you can set it right down in there and actually box the heat in around the sides of the box pot. I can see this working very well for baking. It also works very well with the Firebox Scout Stove. The box pot was designed for the Scout Stove. It fits directly over it. Then when you remove the base, you can slide the base in. Then the lid for the box pot actually fits on top. So now you have your complete package that's ready to go into your Scout Stove bag. Put your fuel in your fuel canister or whatever else you want to store inside, and you've got a really great little kit for yourself. It works well with all the other stoves. And the Nano. I've been exploring the concept of a minimalist kit to be able to bake, boil, and grill. I don't want to compromise any of the fun when it comes to camp cooking. There you have it.